Shanty Town.
Hey, where's that? Go!
Tommy,
Okay, so
Tommy!
on your mark, get set, egg hunting time!
go, go, go.
Go, go, go!
Whoa!
Put it in your basket.
Go!
On your mark, get set,
Right
Lachlan.
down.
Wow. Put it in your basket. Lachlan, put one in your basket too.
I
And let you in and
never found the knife.
perfect, Lachlan. That's the way.
Let's find some more.
Let's find some more.
Gotta go looking.
I don't think that was-
Keep looking.
Look around.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm seeing them. I'm seeing them everywhere.
You go on. Good for you.
More chocolate. Eat more chocolate. Eat more chocolate. Eat more chocolate.
No, no, no. We're not gonna eat, Lachlan.
What are you gonna
You're
wait for them now, Lachlan?
You gotta wait till you find them all. Lachlan, we're still not eating now. No, we're not finding them all. No, we're not eating until we've done all the finding. Still finding.
He's like, wait a minute, I just want to eat this one now.
Go over there to that tree.
Mora, you wanna carry a basket too?
Oh, hey Mara. Oh, that'd be good. You want to wear your bunny ears? Put your bunny ears on? No, you're on troop.
Two.
One for each of you. One for each. Go get it.
Get this.
Get in there, Lockie. There's the purple one.
Look, Lockie.
Hello there, Mara.
You want you in to help you get it
You
out?
need to get some help here.
You
What
help
about
her.
Mara?
Oh, it opened. You help her. That's the problem, child. Oh, we'll put it back.
Grandma will help put it back together.
Once that ball over there.
Yes, and then we can put it in Lockie's basket. Lachlan, you want to look for some other ones?